and I have a grill here that's heating on 400. Tonight I'm making a jerk chicken bowl. It's gonna be with some white rice, some black beans, and I'm making a pineapple salsa. I will show you the pineapple salsa. I'm gonna use the beans in the can. I'm gonna heat the beans in the can. Okay. What's so funny? What? They are trying to drive mommy crazy. Okay, I'm gonna coat the grill pan with a little oil.
Okay, how do you like it?
Okay. I'm going to find this thing to put on and do to catch the oil. Oops. Okay, while I'm doing that, in this bowl here I have about a cup of fresh diced pineapple. I'm going to chop up some red onions and grill this, and we'll be back once I'm done dicing the red onions. Okay, y'all, welcome back. So dinner is almost done. Here's the white rice, it's done. I hope you can see that the white rice is done. I heated the black beans. I added a little bit of butter, a little black pepper, a little salt, and a little seasoning salt for additional flavor. The chicken is over there. I just have one piece left on the grill. The others I take them off the grill and let them sit for about 2 to 3 minutes before I slice them. And then here is the pineapple salsa. All I added to it was a bit of diced fresh tomatoes, the red onion and green bell pepper, and a little bit of Scotch bonnet pepper. I also added a little bit of black pepper, a little bit of salt, and because 2 of my small grandbaby girls are here with me and I want them to eat it, I also add a little bit, maybe a 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, to help combat the acidity in the pineapple because it wasn't really ripe, and the onion. And that's it for the pineapple salsa. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to fix a bowl. Like I said, this is called jerk chicken bowl, and show you how I'm putting this together. And this is meal cooked. Rice takes what, 25 to 30 minutes to cook. So within that 25 to 30 minutes you have a complete and total meal, as long as you have the salsa is something you can prep ahead and have sit in the fridge. And then the chicken I told you earlier also can go with your meal prep. It can be seasoned ahead, put in a Ziploc bag, and if you need to have it more than a day or two before you cook it, you can freeze it and defrost it the morning of the night you're going to cook it. Just that simple. I hope you remember there's a video prior to this one of the jerk marinade and the jerk rub that I use on the chicken, because I like to make my own. So here in this bowl I have some rice, and I'm gonna put I'm gonna put some black bean on, put the black bean on top of the rice, and with my tongue I'm gonna turn over, add some chicken pieces, as many oil will. This is one of my husband's favorite dishes, so he said, oh, you're making something I can bathe in. And so, this is it, the jerk chicken bowl. Now guys, I hope you enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day. Look at that. That looks so good, doesn't it? That looks so yummy. Wow. Simple and delicious.